All right, so for this exercise, I want you guys to obviously draw a bunch of lips from the front view. Lips, I find that students struggle with probably one of the most of any other body part on the face. Lips can be very difficult to learn. Now, for you, they come naturally. That's awesome. But I've broken it down to a pretty simple method that I feel will help you get to drawing correct lips, pretty lips. It's easy to draw just lips that kind of resemble human lips, but what can be difficult is drawing pretty lips for comic books. If you nail this part down, it's really going to set your faces apart big time. But between the eyes and the lips, those are like the two most important parts that really make a face look pretty. So take your time with this one. Make sure to draw a lot of lips. Follow the steps step by step many times until you're drawing lips that at least look like the ones that I draw in the sample. Then you can start making variations and so forth. So go ahead, start filling up pages and pages full of lips, because lips will take you a while to get down before they start looking absolutely beautiful. All right, so get to drawing.